Debt. It's a small word, but it carries a heavy burden. For many, it's a constant source of stress and anxiety, a shadow that looms over every financial decision. Whether it's student loans, credit card balances, or medical bills, debt can feel like an insurmountable mountain. But what if there was a way to conquer that mountain? What if you could break free from the chains of debt and reclaim your financial future? It's a word that can send shivers down your spine. The mere thought of it can cause sleepless nights and endless worry. You might find yourself constantly checking your bank account, dreading the next bill that arrives in the mail. The stress can be overwhelming, affecting not just your finances but your overall well-being. Like a heavy weight on your shoulders, it can make you feel trapped and hopeless. Every day can feel like a struggle, as you try to balance paying off debt with meeting your daily needs. The pressure can be immense, making it hard to see a way out. But it's important to remember that you're not alone. Many people have faced similar challenges and have found ways to overcome them. But there is a way out. It might not be easy, and it might take time. But with determination and the right strategies, you can break free from the grip of debt. Imagine the relief of no longer having to worry about those monthly payments, the freedom to make financial decisions without the constant weight of debt hanging over you. Many people are choosing to fight back against debt and reclaim their financial freedom. They're taking control of their finances, creating budgets, and finding ways to pay off their debt faster. It's a journey that requires discipline and sacrifice, but the rewards are worth it. Financial freedom means having the ability to save for the future, invest in your dreams, and live without the constant stress of debt. Is paying off debt the right move for you? It's a question that many people grapple with. On one hand, paying off debt can provide a sense of accomplishment and financial security. On the other hand, it might require cutting back on other expenses and making significant lifestyle changes. It's important to weigh the pros and cons and consider your personal financial situation. Let's break it down and see if it's worth the effort. Paying off debt can improve your credit score, reduce financial stress, and give you more control over your money. However, it might also mean making sacrifices in the short term, such as cutting back on discretionary spending or taking on extra work. It's a decision that requires careful consideration and planning. We'll explore the pros and cons, dive into practical tips, and provide you with the tools you need to make an informed decision. Whether you're just starting your journey to pay off debt or you're looking for ways to accelerate your progress, we're here to help. From creating a budget to finding extra sources of income, we'll cover everything you need to know and help you decide if debt payoff is your path to financial peace. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to make changes. But with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve your financial goals and live a life free from the burden of debt. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about how to manage your finances and secure your future. Debt payoff is simple. You pay back every single dollar you owe. This includes credit cards, student loans, car loans, and any other debt dragging you down. Debt can feel like a heavy weight on your shoulders, constantly reminding you of the financial obligations you need to meet. It's not just about the money, it's about the stress and anxiety that come with it. So, why do people put themselves through this? Why do they choose to tackle their debt head-on instead of just making minimum payments and getting by? Because debt steals your income. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar you can't use for something else. It's like a financial black hole, sucking away your hard-earned money. Every payment you make to creditors is money you can't use for something else. Think about all the things you could do with that money if it wasn't going towards debt payments. Imagine using that money for vacations, investing, or saving for your future. The possibilities are endless when you're not tied down by debt, or simply enjoying life more. You could dine out at your favorite restaurants, shop without guilt, and live a more relaxed and fulfilling life. That's what debt payoff can give you. It's not just about the financial freedom, it's about the peace of mind and the ability to live your life on your own terms. When you're debt-free, you have more control over your finances and your future. You can make choices based on what you want, not what you owe. So start your debt payoff journey today and take the first step towards a brighter, more secure future. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about how to manage your finances and future. The biggest benefit of becoming debt-free is the feeling of freedom. No more harassing calls from collectors. No more stressing over minimum payments. It's a massive weight lifted off your shoulders. A debt-free life means you control your money, not the lenders. Plus, as you pay off debt, your credit score improves. This opens doors to better interest rates on future loans, saving you even more money in the long run. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about managing your finances and securing your future. While the benefits of debt payoff are enticing, it's essential to consider the downsides. Paying off debt aggressively means using money you could be investing. This is known as the opportunity cost. Another downside is the potential for sacrifice. You might need to cut back on dining out, vacations, or entertainment to free up cash flow for debt payments. It's a trade-off short-term sacrifices for long-term gain. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about managing your finances and securing your future. Ready to tackle your debt? Start by creating a budget. Track your income and expenses to see where your money is going. Then, look for ways to cut back. Next, prioritize your debts. You can use the debt snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debt first for motivation, or the debt avalanche method, where you tackle the debt with the highest interest rate first. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about managing your finances and securing your future. Debt snowball versus debt avalanche. Which one is for you? The debt snowball and debt avalanche are two popular methods for debt payoff. Each method has its own unique approach and benefits, and understanding these can help you make an informed decision about which strategy might work best for you. Let's dive deeper into each method to see how they work and what advantages they offer. The snowball method focuses on building momentum by tackling the smallest debts first. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, gradually picking up more snow and growing larger. This is the essence of the debt snowball method. You start by paying off your smallest debt as quickly as possible while making minimum payments on your other debts. Once the smallest debt is paid off, you move on to the next smallest and so on. This method is particularly effective for those who need quick wins to stay motivated. This gives you quick wins and keeps you motivated. Each time you pay off a debt, you experience a sense of accomplishment, which can be incredibly motivating. These small victories can help you stay on track and maintain your commitment to becoming debt-free. The psychological boost from these quick wins can be a powerful tool in your debt repayment journey. The debt avalanche, on the other hand, prioritizes saving money on interest. This method is more focused on the financial math behind debt repayment. By targeting the debt with the highest interest rate first, you can save a significant amount of money on interest over time. This approach can be particularly beneficial if you have large debts with high interest rates, as it minimizes the amount of interest you pay overall. You focus on the debt with the highest interest rate, regardless of the balance. This means that even if your highest interest debt is also your largest debt, you will tackle it first. By doing so, you reduce the total amount of interest you pay over the life of your loans. This method requires discipline and patience, as it may take longer to see the first debt completely paid off, but the long-term financial benefits can be substantial. Choose the method that resonates most with your personality and financial situation. If you thrive on small victories and need regular motivation, the debt snowball method might be the best fit for you. However, if you are more focused on the numbers and want to minimize the amount of interest you pay, the debt avalanche method could be more suitable. Ultimately, the best method is the one that you can stick with consistently. Consider your financial goals, your personality, and your current financial situation when making your decision. Remember, the most important thing is to start taking action towards becoming debt-free. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about how to manage your finances and secure your future. Staying motivated, the long road ahead. Paying off debt is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, discipline, and a whole lot of motivation. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Share your journey with a friend or family member for support. Visualize your debt-free life and remind yourself of the freedom it will bring. Stay focused, and you will reach the finish line. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about managing your finances and securing your future. Weighing the scales, is it worth it? So is paying off debt worth it? The answer is a resounding yes. While there are downsides like opportunity cost and potential sacrifices, the benefits far outweigh them. Financial freedom, reduced stress, and improved credit score are just a few of the life-changing advantages. Taking control of your finances is empowering and liberating. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about managing your finances and securing your future. Take control of your future. Debt doesn't have to control your life. Start your journey to financial freedom today. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about managing your finances and future.